Understanding if you're on the right path to achieving your dreams is crucial in the journey of manifestation. Today, we'll look into 7 definitive signs that indicate you are successfully aligning with your deepest desires. By recognizing these signs, you'll gain reassurance and enhance your ability to attract what you truly want. Let's explore these indicators together and learn how to interpret the subtle messages the universe sends us. One of the most exciting indications that you are on the right path in your manifestation process is the increase of synchronicities in your life. But what exactly are synchronicities? They are meaningful coincidences that are too significant to be mere accidents. Imagine thinking about an old friend and suddenly receiving a call from them, or consistently noticing the same series of numbers on clocks, license plates, or receipts. These are not just random occurrences, they are synchronicities. When you start noticing these synchronicities, it's a sign that your energies are aligning with the universe, making you more receptive to the opportunities and experiences that lead you toward your goals. These coincidences are like winks from the universe, confirming that your thoughts and actions are in harmony with your greater desires. Each time you recognize a synchronicity, take it as encouragement from the universe to keep pushing forward as you are heading in the right direction. Another significant sign that you are on the right path of manifestation is experiencing an overarching sense of peace of mind. This isn't about the brief moments of calmness that come and go. It's about a deep, sustained tranquility that pervades your daily life. When your actions and goals are aligned with your true self and intentions, anxiety and constant worry tend to diminish. You feel more confident and less troubled by the ups and downs of life, knowing that you are where you need to be. Peace of mind comes from the deep-rooted belief that everything you are doing is contributing to your ultimate goals. This calmness is not indicative of a lack of problems or challenges. Rather, it shows that you trust the process and have faith that the choices you make are the right ones for your journey. This profound peace is a powerful indicator that you are not only on the right path, but also deeply connected to your purpose and the universe's plan for you. As you continue on your manifestation journey, another encouraging sign that you are on the right path is the way obstacles start to seem less daunting and begin to resolve themselves. When aligned with your goals and the universe, challenges often become easier to navigate. This doesn't mean you won't face difficulties. Rather, it indicates that you are equipped with the right mindset and resources to tackle these challenges effectively. This phenomenon can be understood as being in a state of flow, where your actions and decisions naturally align with the solutions required to overcome hurdles. You might find that resources become available just as you need them, or that the right opportunities present themselves at the perfect time to help you move forward. This ease in overcoming obstacles is a clear sign that your efforts are in sync with your manifestation intentions, smoothing the path towards achieving your desires. Moving forward, another unmistakable sign that you are on the right path in your manifestation journey is the presence of increased guidance. This guidance often comes in the form of heightened intuition or sudden insights that seem to direct you towards the next steps in your journey. You may notice that you're making decisions with greater confidence and clarity, and that these choices consistently lead to positive outcomes. This internal guidance is your subconscious aligning with your conscious efforts, providing you with intuitive knowledge that helps you make progress. It's as if your inner compass is finely tuned to point you in the direction of your aspirations. Paying attention to these moments of clarity and following through on the insights you receive are crucial in ensuring that you continue to move towards your goals effectively. As we journey further along the path of manifestation, another pivotal sign that you're aligning perfectly with your desires is an observable increase in your passion and motivation. This is not just about feeling excited for a day or two, it's about a sustained surge of energy and drive towards activities that are linked to your goals. When you are truly passionate about what you are pursuing, the process feels less like work and more like a fulfilling adventure. This heightened passion often manifests as a clear focus and dedication to your tasks. You may find yourself waking up excited to tackle the day's challenges, feeling energized by the possibilities ahead. This intrinsic motivation is a powerful indicator that you're not only interested in your goals, but are deeply committed to achieving them. Such motivation acts as a natural propellant, helping you to maintain momentum even when faced with setbacks or delays. Another clear sign that you are on the right path in your manifestation journey is the evolution of your relationships. This doesn't necessarily mean dramatic changes, rather, it involves subtle shifts towards more supportive and meaningful connections. You might find that people who align with your values and aspirations are drawn closer to you, while relationships that no longer serve your best interests begin to fade away naturally. These changes in your social dynamics can provide a strong support system and contribute positively to your manifestation efforts. When you are surrounded by people who believe in your dreams and offer encouragement, it amplifies your own energy and belief in what you can achieve. Additionally, this sign is often mirrored in how you influence others, inspiring them with your dedication and positivity, which in turn fosters a supportive and motivational environment for everyone involved. As we continue to explore the signs that confirm you are on the right path in your manifestation journey, one of the most personal and profound indicators are the specific signs from the universe tailored just for you. These can be anything that holds special meaning in your life, perhaps a particular type of bird that you associate with a loved one or a song that plays at just the right moment, providing you with the encouragement or answers you were seeking. When you set intentions and ask the universe for guidance, these signs serve as affirmations that your messages have been received and you are being supported. Recognizing these signs requires an openness and awareness to the world around you. It's about being present in the moment and understanding that the universe is constantly communicating with us, often in ways that are subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Another sign that you are effectively manifesting and moving along the right path is the presence of positive feedback loops in your life. This occurs when the energy and effort you put into your goals begin to manifest results, which in turn motivates you to continue pushing forward. For instance, you might notice that small successes lead to bigger opportunities, creating a momentum that feels almost self-perpetuating. These feedback loops are crucial as they not only confirm that you are on the right path, but also help to amplify your efforts. When you see tangible results from your actions, your beliefs in your ability to manifest your desires strengthen, leading to increased confidence and more energetic investment in your goals. This cycle of positive reinforcement is a powerful motivator and an indicator that your alignment with your desires is not only correct but actively flourishing. Moving further along our journey into the signs of successful manifestation, a critical indicator is the growth and personal development you experience. As you align more closely with your desires in the universe, you'll notice an evolution within yourself. This could be an enhancement in your skills, a deeper understanding of your passions, or even a newfound resilience in the face of challenges. This kind of growth is often gradual but profound, marking a significant transformation in how you view yourself and your place in the world. Personal development is both a sign and a catalyst of successful manifestation. It signifies that you are not only moving towards your goals, but are also becoming the person capable of sustaining those achievements. This transformation can manifest as a greater sense of self-awareness, improved emotional intelligence, or an increase in assertiveness, all essential qualities that facilitate a deeper connection with your intentions and the energy you put into the universe. As we conclude our exploration of the signs that you are on the right path for manifestation, it's important to reflect on how these signs interconnect to guide and support your journey. From the synchronicities that hint at a universal alignment to the personal growth that prepares you for what you wish to attract, each sign is a crucial piece of the manifestation puzzle. Recognizing and understanding these signs helps solidify your path, ensuring that each step you take is grounded in purpose and aligned with your broader life goals. Remember, manifestation is not just about reaching a destination. It's about enjoying the journey, learning from each experience, and growing as an individual. The signs discussed today are not only markers, but also encouragements from the universe, urging you to continue pursuing your dreams with confidence and clarity. Keep an eye out for these signs, accept the lessons they offer, and trust that you are indeed moving in the right direction. Your dreams are not only possible, they are on their way to becoming reality. Stay inspired, stay focused, and continue to manifest the life you envision.